In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer SSD to new PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly install an SSD on a PlayStation 5 Pro or the standard model. The steps are generally the same. Even though the location of the SSD slot might differ slightly, you will still be able to install it by following the general instructions that I present in this video. So I'm going to be showcasing the PlayStation 5 Pro as an example, but you can absolutely follow this with the standard PlayStation 5 or even the PlayStation 5 Slim. The very first thing to do is to remove this top cover. So gently pull it up. Do it gently. You will feel some resistance, but this is because you have to remove these latches here. So after you pull it out with some force, it will pop out, and later you will be able to simply attach it back by lining it up correctly. This will take a little bit of force, so don't be scared. Just do it gently and you will be fine. Then you will find the metal SSD cover. So this is what it looks like on the PlayStation 5 Pro, right underneath this fan. Be careful to not drop anything on these fan grills here. And undo this screw to remove the metal cover. With the metal cover removed, you will expose the SSD slot. As you can see, there is a standoff that you need to position between one of these holes. This is determined by the length of the SSD. So usually, for most people, you will be placing it on the fourth hole. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you have a very long SSD, then you place it on the last hole, which is 5. Or if you have a smaller one, you choose between 3, 2, and 1. But like I said, I believe for most people and most standard SSDs model, it will be this one. So you place the standoff here, you can unscrew it, and then just place it there with your fingers. Once the standoff is in position, you will line up the SSD with this place here and angle it there. So to insert the SSD, do it at an angle. As long as you do it gently, it will slide into place and you will feel a slight click. Now let it go down on its own, and once it is down, you can force it down just a little bit more while you screw it into the standoff. So as long as the standoff was properly positioned, as you can see here, it will screw right in. So you screw it down while holding it with your finger. After it has been properly screwed into place and properly connected, you can let go, reinstall the metal cover, and you are good to go. The SSD will be detected the next time that you power on your PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer SSD to new PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.